What do I need?
You need spaghetti, minced beef, carrots, onion, green pepper, and mushrooms.
How much spaghetti do I need?
You need 250 grams of spaghetti. Boil the spaghetti in a pot for 7 minutes. Add salt to the water.
How much beef do I need?
You need 150 grams of beef. Fry the minced beef in oil. Add garlic, salt, and pepper. Fry until the meat is brown.
How many carrots do I need?
You need 2 carrots, 1 onion, 4 green peppers, and 6 mushrooms. Wash and cut the vegetables. Put the carrots, onion, green pepper, and mushrooms in the frying pan. Fry until the carrots are soft.
What do I do next?
Add the pasta sauce to the frying pan. Heat until warm and mixed. Serve. It's done.